what is a database? Database is a container, okay, serves many application by centralizing the data and controlling the redundant data. So the repetition is also not done. So here in this case there can be a many repetitions over there, and while here there cannot be repetitions over here. So DBMS, what is a DBMS? It's a software basically. It's a software which helps you to manage the data. Interfaces between application and physical data files, separate logical physical view of the data, solves problem of traditional file environment. For example, control redundancy eliminates inconsistency, that how we can eliminate the inconsistency between the different files. If you delete, for example, if I delete file from here, the data should also be deleted from all the files, but in the traditional file it's not possible, but in the DBMS it's possible. And also the backup as well. If I want to like for example delete items or backup item, so it should also be it's problem in the traditional one, but in the new DBMS it's this problem is being solved. So control redundancy, the data is not repeated to save the space, eliminates inconsistencies. If I delete something from one place, from one file, automatically from other file it's also deleted. For example, if there is a record for a student, if the students get like a degree from the college, so his name is deleted from the current students over there. So all his courses and everything is like deleted because he finished all the courses, so it must be deleted from the teacher accounts over there. So similarly, but if like for example in case if it is like traditional one, so you have to go to every application and you have to delete the information of the student from the library, from the Tasjil Kabul, and then from the different centers, IT centers. So it becomes like very much difficult in that case. Uncouples program and the data. Uncouples means like unlinked. Sometimes you can unlink the programs from each other to the DBMSs. Enables organization to centrally manage the data and security. You can enable the organization to, so that there should be one single control for it. So it is also possible so that the organization have a centralized control for it.